Howdy, folks. We're live at 441, and I'm going to copy our 32-spot list while I'm on my way up here. We're battling the fourth mini for this ridiculously nice AFA 85 Fett mailer. Still plugging away here. Top 4 win spots in the main. Last place also wins a spot, so we do technically have 5 winners. I'm going to paste the list of 32 in here. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Which we did. We got an 11, so we're definitely good to go. Good luck, guys. Dennis in the top spot for our first round. Zach 2. Troy Edmondson 3. Zach Brayman 4. Steve 5. And 6. And 7. Danny round 8. Dennis in the top spot for round 9 and round 10, which brings us, inevitably, to our final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We're getting close, guys. And our winners are Eric Rand, Zach, Dennis, and in last place, Dennis. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. OLLVOP. These are our winners. I am done at 4, just as the clock turns to 4:43 p.m. There it is. Ahoy. There's our winners again. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. See you in the main. Thanks.